we are rested from our shopping trip. Yes, I said shopping trip. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another massive empties video. This has literally been collecting since I think December. The empties that you guys saw in December. Yeah, so this is like 2.5 months worth of empties right now. Crazy. I want to see the things that I finished, things I love, will I repurchase, and what did I absolutely. And just keep watching. Let's just jump right in. Also, as I mentioned in my last video, I'm probably going to be filming in here for a while in a chair just because I'm 20 weeks pregnant now and it is a little hard for me to get up and down off the, sit on the floor and get up off the floor, even though that's how I love to film. But right now it is just, it's not hitting. Let's just dive right in because there's a lot here. Okay. So I guess I'll start with the stuff that's not even in the bin. Like it's so overflowed. First, we have some prenatal gummy vitamins. These are the Hello Lovely prenatal multivitamins with DHA and folic acid, whatever. I've been taking these for over a year now. They are shaped in little hearts, which is cute. They do kind of have a fishy smell to them, but I've really enjoyed them anyways. I've kind of gotten past that as I've been taking them. I've had no issues. I really like them. I get them on Amazon. I don't know. I was just looking for gummies and stuff on Amazon because sometimes I'll be honest with you guys, I don't feel like going to the store. Amazon it is. So these are one of the ones that I really like that I've tried. I've obviously since repurchased this like 10 times, not even 10 times, 4 or 5 times. They're really good. They taste good and they get the job done. And I hate taking pills that are not tiny. The Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. I love this stuff. I just hate that it's so expensive. Yes, I will repurchase this in the future, but hopefully I can find something else that love her. And obviously I've purchased her a few times. I don't know why I was going to say deer scrub. That's not correct. I don't even know what a deer scrub is. Body scrub from Tree Hut. This is in holiday cheer. This came out last year. Yes, I'm aware. I just recently finished this. I'm really, again, as I've mentioned, trying to really use up all my stashes, like my beauty stash, my makeup stash. I'm just trying to use what I have and not buy so much because I have overwhelmingly just caused myself to just have so much anxiety with the amount of shit I have. And also obviously baby boy is coming, so I don't want to have our house just be filled with clutter. I'm sick of that. I've grown up around it. I've done it. I don't want that for my son. If this ever comes back around, it smells just like Christmas. It's a really nice scrub. Same quality as all their other scrubs. Bottle of this stuff. This is the Guru Nada. You've probably seen it all over TikTok. Oil pulling stuff that I really like. This really has helped my teeth. This is another one of those products where I put this in a different bottle, so it's not done technically, but it's not in this bottle. This is the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Perfector. I've used this in the past and really loved it. I decided to pour this into my Sun Bum one that I've been using. So once that's done, I definitely will probably just get the Sun Bum one, although this is a really good alternative if you don't want to spend the extra few dollars. Still works really well. Has always protected my hair. Fallen out of the bin. One of these Tree Hut Sugar Face Scrubs. I'm obviously not completely done with it, but I could not get anything else out of it. I don't feel like cutting it. I don't feel like going through all of that, okay? Like maybe you do. I don't. This one is the Brightening Pineapple, Papaya, and I don't know how to pronounce that correctly. This is supposed to brighten, cleanse pores, and smooths. I really love this. I use a face scrub probably like twice a week, not much, just because again, my skin is very weird. If you've been here, you already know. I just don't like to really a lot of abrasive scrubs on my skin. Kind of shocked of how good this one was because I've had the watermelon one, but then again, you already know my whole thing with watermelon skincare. It just didn't work out for me because my skin just should not have constant hydration on it, especially when it's oily. I think these are a little bit cheaper than like a typical face scrub. It is a little bit more abrasive than like the Aveeno one that I used before that I really liked. A little more abrasive, go for this. If you want something less abrasive, that Aveeno scrub that I use, I think it's the Naturals one, that one's really good too. I threw this in here, but I probably should have just thrown this away because I already had to throw away a couple brushes I washed yesterday. This is the e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush. I can't seem to find this anywhere, or maybe it's at Target and I don't know. I looked on Ulta and they didn't have it because I'm trying to put stuff into my cart to make a future Ulta order in like a month. They didn't have this, but the bristles are starting to come out. I've had this for a long time. This has been like cream bronzer application brush. If you watch my Get Ready With Me's on TikTok, love e.l.f. brushes. They've always been really good quality. This one has seen better days. We have another container that used to have a Tree Hut body wash in it. I don't know what it was, but this one did have the Native Sugar Cookie body wash in it that I really liked. Obviously Native, Tree Hut, those are like kind of my go-tos for body washes as of lately, if not Sol de Janeiro, if I decide to bulk buy it like a crazy person. Native toothpaste with fluoride. This is the whitening wild mint and peppermint oil. I've been using this toothpaste for so long. I just really like it a lot because it doesn't have like a lot of crazy weird ingredients in it. It does what it's supposed to do, and it tastes decent and doesn't make me gag. I always repurchase this with fluoride, not without. I don't get why people get toothpaste without fluoride, but I guess live your life. I don't know. A couple cleansing balms. One I love and one I absolutely despise. I'm going to advise you not to buy it. Can you guess which one that is? Obviously, we have the Vanilla & Co. Clean It Zero. I love this cleansing balm. Again, the aesthetic of it, because it's like pink and cute, but also because it does work really well for me. And they do have different like varieties and different kinds, like depending on what you're looking for. Not just a pink one, they have like all different colors. We know she's been here, we love her. This is the jumbo size that sometimes I do get on sale on occasion from Ulta. Now this is the Real Clean by Real Techniques Makeup Removing Balm Face Erase. No. Let me tell you why. Cleansing balms, the way that I use them, because I know some people use them different. Rub this all over my face, get all my makeup off, rinse it off in the shower or in the sink, whatever. And then I do my cleanser and rinse it off and you get it and continue from there. A lot of people like to put, apparently, because I've seen a few TikToks of some girls that will put this on, rub it on their face, and then use their cleanser with it. I don't know why, but live your life. But usually if you just use the cleansing balm after, your face should not feel greasy. It should not feel like gross. Like it should do its job if you're using the kind that you can rinse off. Because I know there are kinds out there that you don't rinse off and you just wipe it off with a paper towel or something. This left such a greasy film residue on my face after I rinsed it off in the shower or in the sink, and it was just absolutely disgusting. I feel like my cleanser couldn't really work as well. I feel like my face just felt really gross. It was just not a match. If this works for you, great for you. Maybe I'm using it wrong, but it does say rinse with warm water and pat dry. I don't know. Real Techniques, I love you. I love your brushes. I love your sponges. This was just an absolute no. We need to go back to the drawing board, please. Please, this has a potential to be a really great product, but it's not. NYX Matte Finishing Spray. This is the jumbo size that you can get on, I think you can still get it on Ulta's site. I got a couple on sale like years ago. Love this. It's one of my favorite setting sprays of all time. e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Obviously, one of my favorite primers that I really like. Will repurchase that, as we know. The Tula Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Again, if you watch my Get Ready With Me's, I'm always using this. Even on days I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. This just brightens up my under eyes. It wakes me up. I just really enjoyed this product. It comes without the rose glow in it. It also comes just in the blue packaging. We've had her for over a year. We had that much left, and this I think just started making my eye tear and do weird things, aka it's probably expired, so I should stop using it. I have a few mascaras. Rare Beauty, I don't remember what this is called, mascara. I really liked this for a while. I just feel like it's starting to smell and get kind of weird. I don't know. I like to change my mascaras out like monthly now just because they start to dry out and get funky. I did like this for the most part. I just feel like the formula might be slightly too wet for the kind of brush that it is. I don't know. I feel like either there's some days I could have really nice lashes or really clumpy lashes. I could find, again, there's other mascaras that I really love out there if I did want to spend the money. Or obviously drugstore, there's so many that I really like. I don't think I'll buy that again. Then we have these I just tried this morning, and I don't have any lashes. So I don't like these. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara. I was like, oh, this has the potential to be a great mascara. It's the brush, the formula is too dry for me. And then this I finally opened after having it for so long, the AF Push to Start Volumizing Mascara. Halsey, girl, I love you. I love you. What the f is this? Now, if you're new to my channel and you're like, okay, it's a mascara wand, what is the big deal? I don't like these kind of brushes for a reason, because they just don't give you the same payoff as like a spiky brush or like a curved brush or any other type of brush. This brush is like a beginner mascara like brush, which is fine if you're a beginner mascara. Also, the formula seems to be really dried out. Maybe that's my fault. Some of you out there have had this and that's how it's supposed to be, but it just seems the formula is really thick and dry, and it just, nope. That's a no for me. Spring Valley Vitamin D Zero Sugar Gummy Vitamins. I still take these all the time and throughout my pregnancy. These are great for bone and immunity health. I've been taking vitamin D for quite a few years now, but I really like those. Something about the texture. I'm a very texture person, sensory person. I just really like texture. So these, Walmart. love. Olaplex, the 4P. This is the only Olaplex thing I have been using. Obviously now I have switched to other things, so I don't think I'm gonna go back to this, but this is a very potent purple shampoo. If you want to have a little tinge of ash in your hair, a tinge of purple, definitely go for this. This immediately is like one of the shampoos that will stain your hands. So if you want that, if you want it to actually make your hair look nice and ashy and bright, go for this. I'm currently using the Eva NYC shampoo, purple shampoo and conditioner. So I feel like that's been doing a pretty decent job. Then again, I'm not really crazy about being super white blonde anymore. I don't think I'll repurchase this because there's so many brands that make other purple shampoo and conditioners out there, and this was like 20 bucks. And if you use too much of this product, it can damage your hair. So we are not trying to do that anymore. Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, throwback to 2016. I really do like this powder. I don't advise you really like this powder. I do not advise anyone to use this for baking. Powder is just so fine. It just got into my lungs and made me cough and die, and yeah, don't do that. Definitely just use it with a brush and just dab it under your eyes or dab it on your face. Don't bake with this. I'm such a baking powder girl because my face gets oily, we know. So this is like a rare occasion for me. I got it on sale and I wanted it. It's still a great powder, even though years and years later after the hype, it's still really good. Another brush head for my Clarisonic Mia 2. Clarisonic Mia 2. I've had that brush for like 6 years now, and she's still going. I really love her. I love her more than like the spinny brushes because my hair would get caught in them and then I pull my hair out. To buy these on Amazon because it's just so much cheaper, as I've said in the past before, versus spending $50 for 2 brush heads. Like, excuse me. No. Lip balms in here. I have a Kylie Skin watermelon one. This is way past expiration date, but this was underneath my bed under my night table that I cleaned out a few weeks ago, so she is just obviously done for. I'm not using her again. I have a e.l.f. Squeeze Me. I'm gonna be controversial for a second, so maybe someone could change my mind, but I don't like these. Obviously the Laneige, but like I just don't like this lip balm. It's just not doing anything for me. This is one of the e.l.f. things I'm just like, I don't know. But I do have a couple lip masks that are way past expiration. We have the berry one and the mint cocoa one that I had. I really love these lip masks, but obviously I bought way too many last year and the year before, and I was like, oh my god, and come to realize that like I'm wasting so much money because I'm not using these enough. Hence why I would only get one of these jars if I was going to put it in like in my work bag, because I've been using the one in my work bag for almost 2 years now. Should I be doing that? No. You get what I mean. Like, I'd rather get a jar that I know I'm going to use for a long time and just keep a lip balm in my bag or next to my bed. We know about the NYX Wonder Stick. I love the bronzer on this. I never thought I would. I did repurchase it and I will be using it at some point, wherever I put it. I don't know. Well, I don't know what happened to it, but this finally fell off. This is the highlighter on that Wonder Stick as well that I really love. This is in Universal Light. I will use it again. Kind of surprised me because I really wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did. Blended out really nicely. Highlighter looked amazing. Love that. Sunscreen. This is from e.l.f. This is the invisible one. I actually really did like this too. I wish that the bottle was a little bigger. I mean, compared to the Hero one, which this one's gonna last me probably until like April, May at least. I just wish the bottle was a little bigger. I also wish it was bigger for the price because I think this is like $14.99. So e.l.f., can we make this bigger? Make a jumbo size? Something like that? No, absolutely not. I have this Thayer's toner with glycolic and lactic acids with witch hazel and the citrus scent. They actually sent this to me, so thank you, Thayer's. I do appreciate you thinking of me and sending this over. I gave it a good college try and I just feel like it really dried out my skin, brought out a lot of like pimples and imperfections in my skin, made me break out versus some of the other toners I've used before. I'm not going to be using this anymore. Thank you again for sending it. I do appreciate it. It just was not a product that worked for me. Hair products, this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I really like this mask. I even bought it in the tub. Then we have the Living Proof Restored Repair Mask. This is what I was using before. I do recommend. I think I got this one from TJ Maxx actually. The only thing is the scent. Living Proof just has a distinct scent to them. It's nothing against them. That's what they do, but I just wish it didn't smell like Florally Grandma. Product is there. Love the product. Also from Living Proof, I have the Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Love this. Will repurchase this. The jumbo size, so I think I did get this on sale at some point. They just need to make either fragrance free or just stop putting the fragrance in their products because I love their hair products. The Joico Blonde Life Brightening mask. Been using this for years. Obviously repurchased it and will continue to. This just helps to give extra brightness to your blonde. I always like to mix this with usually the Matrix purple shampoo. Right now I'm using an Amika mask, Amika purple mask. So I'll mix a little bit with that and with a hair mask. That's usually what I do weekly. And then during the week, I just use like a normal moisture shampoo and conditioner to put moisture back into my hair. We have another one. This is from Christmas. So no, I'm not crazy. Candy cane tree hut scrub that I had from, again, last year that I finally used up. Smelled really good. Nothing really to say. No really complaints. I do love the Tree Hut scrubs. But again, just like my face scrub, I use twice a week and they're just really good. A few more mascaras. Wow, I just have a problem apparently. We have the Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. Always love this mascara. I will only get it on sale because it's normally like 20 bucks. And why spend that when I can get it for 10? Love the brush, love the formula. This is just one of the ones that is high end that I don't mind buying when it's on sale because it's good. Does that make sense? Or even if it wasn't on sale, I would buy it because it's really, really good. Jeffree Star. I think this is the Jeffree approved mascara that I bought. The formula, nah. The brush, nah. Reminds me a lot of the AF94 one I just showed you. Love the quality. Like this is a heavy duty mascara one. And it does come with like a little keychain that I took off because why not? I will always say this about Jeffree. As controversial as he is, as many issues as he's had, whatever the case, he knows how to make a product and he knows how to deliver the packaging. I'm sorry. That's just me. I think that his brand is thriving and doing well because he has not lost the sight of the quality or the packaging. A few more random things in here and then we are done. I have this Beetles top coat top gel that I use on my nails when I do my own press-ons and put like the gel polish on them and stuff. This is the only brand I've used since 2020 and I really love it, but I would be aware that over time it will get gunky, it will get yucky, it will just, yeah, and keep this away from your lamp because I think that might be part of the reason why it looks a little gunky. I don't know. A few sanitizers from before Christmas and now. We have cucumber, melon, we have fresh sparkling snow, which I'm actually using again right now, and strawberry pound cake. Love these for my sanitizer holder on my lanyard for work. It's just easy and convenient, and especially since I'm touching a lot of gross things and you would think being a para that would change that from being a toddler teacher. No, it has not. Protect myself as well since I was sick like 95% of the time last year. I think I warned you guys about this in a vlog. This is the cute puppies and kitties phone case from Velvet Caviar. As you guys can see from like the border, it is absolutely disgusting. I have used the out of this case, become one of my favorite phone cases of all time that I've ever had for any phone because it is just so cute and adorable. The one thing that I wish that this did not happen, and I know it just happens with age and time, so I don't think it's anything against Velvet Caviar as a brand. This, like you guys, again, see the border, like it just got really dirty really easily. There's so many scratches on the other side. So obviously, you guys can tell this is a very well-loved case, and I did end up repurchasing it because I'm crazy. She's seen better days. She's ready to go and get recycled and become something else. Main reason I bought this case is because of this little doggy right here. Looks just like Callie, my mom's dog. I'm sorry, my mom and sister's dog with her little bow. And I was like, I have to get this case. It's so cute. That was a lot. Even baby boys was like, Mom, are you done yet? Yes. We're done now. That was my very, very long empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go recycle all this now so I can have a new bin to start. And again, very gross that there's a dead bug in here. But you can tell that that's how long that we've been waiting to do this video. So I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.